Hey guys, this is Manisha Yadav. Welcome to Amec Cad Solutions. So today's topic is regarding to how to create a corner window in any wall, right? तो किस तरीके से हम लोग इस तरीके की विंडो जो आपको स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रही है वो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. So let's get started. Okay, I just create a wall. Of any thickness, right? You just have to give your wall thickness. Check off its height, level 1 to level 2, applied. Then go to level 1 and with the help of wall tool, you just have to go to curtain wall section. Curtain wall, I just give it to the sill height, window sill height 2 feet and height of the window 6 feet. See this one. I just have to created such kind of things. Okay. Then go to mullion and apply mullions to the curtain wall. ये वॉल आपके इसके बीच में आ रही है, so you just have to edit the profile now. I just cut the profile according to this window. Split tool. Check. And again go to this side also, edit profile and reshape the profile. Check. So according to this, these two curtain walls are intersecting each other, right? Or we just want to set it properly corner shape. So go to any basic wall, edit type, duplicate, and I just give the name glass new panel. Okay, and edit and give the its thickness according to the glass thickness, right? I just give it 1 inch, or give the material clear glass, put it here. Okay, and again okay, and then again okay, right? Then select the glaze panel with the help of tab. System panel glaze with the help of tab, you just have to select it. Edit type, sorry, not from edit type, go here and I just have to quickly place the glass new panel. Similarly to this also, glass new panel. See this one, this corner is created very sharp and very accurate, right? So we just have to create like this. Then we just have to provide the material, create new material, rename it wall new paint. Go to assets and I just pick simple paint. Okay, I just like this one now, CMU material, right? Brick type material. And you just have to, if you want to apply material all of the wall faces, then you just have to pick it here like this. Okay, and I just want to also give material to this mullion also, right? So I just added type and like duplicate. Not required duplicate. I just duplicate and go to this aluminium material now, because I just want to apply all of these mullions, right? So metal, I just rename it with the help of with name of metal, and I want to create aluminium anodized, right? Let me check. It's quite good now. Okay, so this is the corner window which I have created with the help of curtain wall and basic wall और प्रोफाइल एडिट इन वॉल्स. सो आई होप गाइस आपको ये वीडियो जो है वो समझ में आई होगी, और इफ अगर आपको कोई डाउट आता है तो प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए, मैं डेफिनेटली उसका रिप्लाई करूंगी. और आप कंटिन्यू रखिए अपनी रेविट की प्रैक्टिस, और किसी अनदर टॉपिक पे अगर आपको वीडियोस चाहिए तो प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए, और नए वीडियोस के अपडेट के लिए बेल आइकन पे प्रेस कीजिए, चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.